Let's get 1,000 steps from home. Welcome to my home walk routine. Sounds like a lot, especially if you're a beginner, but I definitely think you can do this. It'll take you 10 to 20 minutes depending on your speed, but don't rush it. Go at your own pace. Do 100 steps per exercise or whatever you can. You can also time 1 minute per move. The idea here is just to get the blood flowing and your body moving. Walking is such an underrated exercise. If you can't do it outdoors, you can definitely do it indoors. These moves are also designed to get your other body parts moving, not just your feet. We're strengthening your hip flexors, your core, your back. There's a lot of funny moves like this one you'll see, but they are all intentional. I have the full-length routine on my website and app at justinagustin.com. I explain everything in detail as I'm doing the exercise with you. For now, here are examples of what you can do from home. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Find a good pace. And I'm proud of you for moving today. Keep going. You're doing amazing.